Hi, Aaron here with Flooring Inc. Today, we're going to talk about our ribbed carpet tiles. Our ribbed carpet tiles come in several colors to match any room in a residential area. These tiles feature a self-adhering backing that makes for a quick and easy install. Our modular carpet tiles are 18 by 18 inch. If you happen to need to replace a tile, they're easy to remove and replace rather than replace an entire room of carpet. Did I mention these tiles may be used for indoor and outdoor purposes? Which means they are mold and mildew resistant, making them the perfect flooring for any basement or patio. Ribbed carpet tile squares are the perfect low-cost solution for your indoor-outdoor tile needs. We recommend using them for flooring in living rooms, patios, decks, garages, bedrooms, basements, kitchens, and elderly care rooms. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website via live chat or give us a call. We'd be happy to help.